Hello and welcome. My name is Ali Goff. I'm the owner and founder of Goff Legal, and we do estate planning, trust administrations, and probates here in California. I want to take a few minutes to answer a few questions and hopefully give you some insight on a question I get a lot from clients who have residential real estate, and that is, do I need an LLC? Can't I just get insurance? What are my options? What are the choices I can make? And so, quick primer on LLCs. They are limited liability companies. They are designed to provide some asset protection and really put in some barriers between your investments and your personal assets. Now, they're not magic wands where you just form one and poof, you're not responsible for anything that ever happens. As most things, it requires some planning, some attention, some maintenance. Sounds like a lot of like an estate plan, doesn't it? You have to set it up properly. You have to maintain it. You have to manage it and make sure it works for you. But when you set it up properly, with the advice of an attorney who understands LLCs and asset protection or liability protection, you've got a pretty good chance of making sure that your personal wealth stays your personal wealth and your investments stay your investments. So, on that note, I want to make sure you understand we've got LLCs, which are business entities, and then we've got insurance, right? So, insurance protects from accidents and all sorts of things that we don't think might happen, but could happen. And one of the great things about insurance is it covers these types of accidents. But here's the thing that maybe not all insurance agents have gone over with you, or you didn't even ask. There are limits to your policies. There are carve outs, there are exclusions. There are things that are not covered under your insurance policy that might be addressed by an LLC. And so I think you should absolutely have a conversation with your advisor, your insurance advisor, over what is covered and what is not covered under your policy, because there might be some changes you want to make there. And then also a consultation with a business attorney to figure out if this type of asset protection is going to help you sleep better at night. Will this accomplish your goals? The last thing I wanted to mention about advisors is your CPA. That is someone else I'd like you to chat with, because depending on your personal income situation, you're going to want to talk with your CPA over whether an LLC is going to impact your personal tax returns or whether different entities that will support you better. And then lastly, like I mentioned, the care and feeding of your LLC. You formed it with an attorney and you paid the Secretary of State, and now you've got to actually manage it properly, right? You need to treat it like a business. You'll need to make sure that you have bank accounts in the name of the LLC, that your contracts are being executed, that the real estate makes it into the LLC. Pro tip, a lot of lenders have due on sale clauses, and you'll need to get lender consent before you transfer an investment property with a loan on it into an LLC. That can obviously be done. Not all lenders are the same, so it bears maybe researching that before charging forward and creating your own LLC online and finding out later you don't have any authority to transfer it into that entity. My last pro tip, because I'm an estate planning attorney, is make sure that your LLC, if you do create one, is connected to your estate plan so that avoids probate. There are so many things I didn't go over in this video because I don't have all of the time, but just know, contact your professional advisor and see what's going to be right for you, your estate plan, your income tax plan, and your asset protection planning. Hope this works and in your favor, and good luck. Bye-bye.